In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a CSV of Etsy sold transactions in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy sold transactions data gives you item level details for every sale, which is perfect for tracking performance, revenue, and best-selling products. Now, if you want to download a CSV of your Etsy sold transactions, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your Shop Manager from the top menu. After that, go to Settings inside your Shop dashboard. Then, scroll down and find the Download Data section. Now, select the Sold Transactions report from the available options. After that, choose your preferred date range for the data. Then, select CSV format and click Download. Once ready, your file will download to your device. Next, open the CSV using tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to review your sales data. Keep in mind that this report shows individual items sold, not just orders, which makes it ideal for analyzing product performance. Also, you can use this data to identify your best-selling items, optimize pricing, and improve your shop strategy. That's it. By downloading your Etsy sold transactions CSV, you can gain deeper insights into your sales and grow your shop more effectively.